Okay, siya. Ha. Sorry.
Makita.
Ang ano?
Akin na. Lato-lato.
Ang blurdo.
Do you hear lato-lato?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you do. Will marry Sophia Erin.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Manonood pala kami, guys. Uy! English only!
Bakit may YouTube ako?
English only. May YouTube na ako. Yan nga yung YouTube channel. Wait, ako na. Alright, guys, so I'm using my phone na. Yeah, I do like watching Peppa Pig, but don't bully me. I like watching Peppa Pig. Bro, I love Peppa Pig.
Comedy.
Bro, I know. Bro, let me just ride it.
Spell comedy.
Ah.
Anong YC?
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
See, I know. Comedy.
Comedy?
Comedy to.
By the way, if you're
Comedy.
watching, I'm gonna do somebody.
Comedy. Whoa, that's... Bro, just be faster. Di ba right English only, right? No Tagalog. And
Walang
bro, we cannot see. Bro, what are you doing?
I gotta see.
Wait, dito kasi mo pakikita. At di tayo pakikita.
No, I don't like that movie. I would.
Alright, guys. So, bro, I hate
I cannot see.
naman
Bro,
kasi.
sorry.
Wag na kayo magganyan-ganyan kasi. Naglalag lang sa cellphone niyo.
I would not. Hindi ako nakita.
Good. And oh, wait, I forgot to drink my water. Oh shit, we forgot to drink water. Oh shit, we forgot to drink water.
No laughing challenge. Bakit ganyan?
Yeah, no laughing challenge. We have to drink water.
Bakit tayo nanonood ng movie? Hindi naman niya nakakatawa.
Nanonood kayo kanina? Sana sila madam. Wait lang. Umiyak siya.
Uy, bakit?
Hindi ako umiyak. Nagtampulang.
Umiyak, sabi ng mama.
Hindi talaga umiyak daw.
Bakit Bakit siya
Hindi
umiyak?
ako umiyak. Gusto niya pumunta dito. Umiyak siya. Nag-absent siya. Hindi ako nag-absent dahil ano. Hindi, nagsusuka siya. Oo. Kaya ako na. Tapos umiyak siya. Gusto niya pumunta dito. Dahil, di ba kung nagsusuka ka, iyak ka. Oh. Siyempre, dahil kung sumusuka ka, may tears. Pero bakit may... Huwag ka nang maingay.
Tama ka, be. Ganun ako kapag
Nakakainis.
Pag nagsusuka ako,
Nakakainis, no? Dahil,
Hindi mo matigil yung suka.
ako, sinusukan ko tigil yung ubo ko. Ano, bakit ako na... Sinusukan ko umiinom ako. Pero wala hindi ako umiinom dahil yung suka ko.
Because it's more than just a car to you.
Ay! Sino na... Uy, mauinom ka ng tubig. Pero, may sasabihin ako. Hindi, may sasabihin ako sa kanila. Guys, who clean my mess, I throw up, shout out to you. Yung ano siya magre-repeat dito. Bro! Whoever clean up my mess, they... Bro, wait! They get a shout out.
Kapag tumingin ka, akin ka. Pag tumingin ka, may mountain bike ka na, may 2.5 ka pa. Yan, mananap ka, karaw ka na. Kalbo, pinasa kay Kalbo, tinira ni Kalbo, hawak ni Kalbo, binigay kay Kalbo. Kalbo, shoot ni Kalbo! Kamusta ka na? Kanyon! Buenos Dias de Almoranas.
Time first. Pero hindi naman ako hindi ko naman na-spill yung water.
Tama.
Ayaw, kamay, kamay lang! Kamay! Distansya, kamay! Oo, distansya, kamay! Uno! Kuya ko! Teresa! Teresa! Uno! Ara! Ara, sa kamera, tawagin! Kwarta rin, kwarta! Uno! Dos! Tres!
Well, that was so easy, ah.
Natawa lang ako dun ng onte yung
Another one.
Laugh, not smirk.
Ano?
This is your ultimate test of self-control. If you laugh
No water, no
once,
water.
you're
No
out.
water.
Sounds easy? Think again. 99% of people fail. Only the unbreakable 1% make it to the end. Think you're one of them? Let's find out. There are 3 rounds: beginner, pro, and the impossible. Each round is harder than the last. Each second is more tempting. Laugh once, just a tiny bit. Game over. Take a breath, focus up, let the challenge begin. Whipped cream challenge. You survived round 1 without even a twitch. Impressive. Smash that like button to prove you're built different. But don't relax yet. Things get real now. No smirks. No raised eyebrows. Just stone cold focus. Most people fold here. Can you handle the pro level? Let's find out.
Here we are with our grandbabies. There go Gabby. She's riding the big bike. There go Bella. Riding up.
Okay.
that means that computer.
Ayoko na. No, di ako. No. Bye-bye guys. See you in the next video. Peace.